Two groups are suing the FDA over an ingredient found in hair treatments. One America's Stephanie Myers has the full story.
Itchy eyes, sore throats, breathing problems, headaches, and bloody noses. Those are just a handful of symptoms salon workers and customers are reporting from hair straightening treatments that contain formaldehyde, a chemical known to cause cancer. The Environmental Working Group and Women's Voices for the Earth filed a lawsuit on Wednesday, alleging the FDA failed to protect the public from the dangers associated with popular hair straightening treatments, such as the brand name Brazilian Blowout. One America News reached out to Women's Voices for the Earth, with the Director of Science and Research explaining that while the results may look good, it's not worth the risk.
Even very, very low levels of formaldehyde will cause your body to react in serious ways, whether it's, from giving you breathing problems to rashes, nosebleeds, that kind of thing. And that sensitization is a lifelong condition. So you'll react to formaldehyde for the rest of your life.
Scranton adds salon workers can no longer be able to perform their job duties because of their reactions. However, some stylists defend the treatment, saying it's just a matter of being able to handle the straightening products with proper precaution, arguing that formaldehyde is in other beauty products. But Scranton points out the exposure levels are significantly different.
You will find traces of formaldehyde in a number of other products, but in Brazilian Blowout, for example, they're finding amounts like 10% of the product is formaldehyde. I mean, incredibly high, significant amounts in these products.
Scranton explains that the treatments involve liquids being applied to the hair, then heated with blow dryers and straightening irons at high temperatures, causing formaldehyde to release into the air, resulting in the adverse reactions.
When you put heat on formaldehyde, it becomes a gas and then you're breathing it in. So that's very different from formaldehyde exposure that you get from applying, cold nail polish, for example.
The Environmental Working Group says it first filed a formal request in 2011 asking the FDA to investigate the marketing practices of companies the group accused of hiding formaldehyde ingredients within their products. Environmentalists argue countries such as Canada, France, and Ireland have removed products with high levels of formaldehyde. A spokesperson from the FDA says they're unable to comment on pending litigation, but says cosmetic products and ingredients do not need FDA pre-market approval, with the exception of color additives. And on the FDA's website, the agency has issued warning letters to two hair straightening product companies, Brazilian Blowout and Van Tiboli Beauty Corporation, citing safety and labeling violations. A spokesperson from the Environmental Working Group hopes a court order will motivate the agency to protect salon workers and the public from the products. Stephanie Myers, One America News.